You have this radio right here, the FH-X720BT. Sound is not coming from the rear speakers. This is what you do. You take the key, put it in the ignition. You want to set it to, you want to turn one click, turn the car on. Then what you want to do is, you want to turn the radio off. You want to hold the source button. Keep holding it. Alright, then you want to bring up the menu. And you should be able to get into initial. When you get into initial, you want to go into initial and you want to go down to SPIO mode. You go into SPIO mode, you want it set on rear, so it uses the rear speakers. This radio is set up for a subwoofer. You don't need that if you have a normal radio or if you have everything stock. If you have, you know, a subwoofer, then you're gonna have to use the subwoofer settings. But for a regular car, if you want to keep it stock, just rear, and then do that. Then I'm gonna cut it on. And I got sound coming from the speakers, but I'm not gonna play it because it's obviously copyrighted. I don't want any problems. But that's how you do it. It took me forever to find this, crawling the internet. So there we go. We have a video now. Peace.